Today, I'm going to walk you through how to integrate Google Analytics with your HubSpot content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have your analytics set up, but you'll also understand exactly how to use this connection to track your visitors and make smarter decisions about the content you create. So if you're ready to unlock detailed insights about how people are engaging with your site, this is the place to start. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open HubSpot. If you're new to HubSpot, you'll usually access it by logging into your account on HubSpot.com. Once you're in your dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. All the magic happens here, so it's good to know your way around. Now look to the very top of the page where you'll find the HubSpot Marketplace. This button might sound simple, but it's actually your gateway to a world of integrations and apps that can power up your HubSpot experience. Click on the HubSpot Marketplace and it'll open a panel where you can search for all kinds of add-ons. Here comes the important part, finding Google Analytics. In the search bar at the top, just type in Google Analytics. It's always best to make sure your spelling is spot on for search results. As soon as you start typing, you'll see suggestions pop up. Don't be distracted. We're looking for the Google Analytics connector. When you spot it, give it a click. You'll see the Google Analytics connector page open up with some information about what it does. This connector is basically the bridge between HubSpot and your Google Analytics account, allowing them to talk to each other and share visitor data. Go ahead and click the Install button. Sometimes this step can take a few moments, depending on your internet connection or if HubSpot is busy, so don't worry if you have to wait a few seconds. After clicking Install, you'll be prompted to sign up with Google. This is where you link your Google account to HubSpot. If you've already got a Google Analytics account, using the same login is usually best. It keeps things streamlined and ensures your data will sync properly. Hit the Sign Up button and you may need to authenticate with Google just like you're logging into your Gmail or Drive. Follow the prompts, and if you run into any pop-ups asking for permissions, it's absolutely normal. HubSpot needs access to your analytics data, just like any other trusted app. Once you're signed in and everything looks good, you'll see a field or a page where you add the domains of the website you want to connect to Google Analytics. This step is crucial because the domain is what tells Google Analytics where to collect data from. If you have more than one website or subdomain you want to track, add them all here. Remember, just like writing a return address, double-check you've spelled your website correctly. A small typo can lead to missed data and nobody wants that. And just like that, you've set up Google Analytics integration with your HubSpot content. Give yourself a pat on the back. You've made it possible to get deeper insights into who's visiting, what they're reading, and where they're coming from. Down the line, you'll be able to use these analytics to boost your marketing, pinpoint popular content, and really refine what you offer your visitors. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and drop a comment below if you got stuck anywhere or if you have any questions. I always check and reply. Subscribe for more practical tutorials on making your digital marketing smoother and more effective. Thanks for watching and good luck tracking your site traffic.